What's up, everybody? It's that time of year. Vinyl on your siding is greener than the grass in your yard. So what you gonna do about it? Let me show you what I got here. 30-second outdoor cleaner. You can get this stuff at Walmart, Tractor Supply, pretty much any big box store. This stuff does miracles. Let me show you. I got a pump sprayer here. I got equal parts. I did about half of this with the 30-second outdoor cleaner, and the other half is water. So let me show you how fast this stuff works. You don't even need a pressure wash. This stuff right here will eliminate your pressure washing. Well, that's it. So you can see 30-second outdoor cleaner is more like 20-minute outdoor cleaner. I will say this though, last time I used this, I put the whole jug inside my pump sprayer. I didn't cut it like I just did. So I did cut it. I used maybe a quarter of what I put in this pump jug. It just goes to show you that a little bit of this stuff will go a long way. You don't need a pressure washer if you use 30-second outdoor cleaner. You can put it in the pump sprayer. Let it sit for just a few minutes and then come back with the water hose. Spray it on there and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you like it, go ahead, comment, subscribe. We'll keep more content coming. Thank you.